Came into Memphis and spent the day in Memphis and checked out some live music, some music history, and I played some music on the street. First thing I did is went to Graceland, Elvis Presley's house. Got some tacky 70s furniture going on. I admit that I lost some respect for Elvis seeing all the televisions, lots of TVs. Also, he drank a lot of soda. And then I want to try to hit up some bookstores, get some information about Memphis, and I ran into the area called Cooper and Young. I found a plaque for the church where Johnny Cash played his first public performance with the Tennessee 2. So looking around Cooper and Young, you know, the whole purpose of this trip is that I want to just interact with people and figure out cities by playing music in public. In Cooper and Young, I saw a little like kind of public square area, and I considered it. I got a drink and just sat there and felt the vibes for a while, but it didn't really feel right to do street performing there. So then I went and hit up Beale Street. Beale Street is the famous strip. It's like New Orleans has a street of music, Austin has a street of music. Beale Street is like that for Memphis. It's blues oriented. So I walked around that kind of early. Didn't see anybody performing live music. I did see somebody street performing. They were doing these cartwheels and things. Then I rolled out of there and went to Lafayette's. Lafayette's must be a little less touristy because I got asked a couple times if I worked for the newspaper because I had my camera. But before I went into Lafayette's, I just walked around a little bit. I felt that this region, this area, would be a little bit better for street performing, for busking. Give me raw human emotion, give me something I can feel. Give me a bottle I can lean on, give me a discount, liquor, cigarettes, and beer. You know, it actually turned out there wasn't too much foot traffic. I actually got $2, played 3 songs, got $2 from a car that was driving by, which is the first time that happened. And then at the end of the 3rd song, this guy just started talking to me and told me all about the music scene and how much I love Memphis and just all these things and where to go. And he friended me on Facebook. And so, you know, that's again just adding to my whole thesis and theme is how music brings people together, and it's a way to interact with people. And then I went and found a campsite, and here I am next morning, ready for another day in Memphis. And it's 4th of July, so it should be fun and exciting. Thanks for tuning in and checking out my video. I'm gonna keep reporting on how you can street perform, places to street perform. I can't say I had much success this first day in Memphis. It's pretty difficult. I know that Beale Street isn't going to work out that well. There's just so much going on, and I think I didn't see anybody else doing it. I suspect it could be regulated. I think Memphis in general is probably one of the most regulated cities that I've been to. Hit me up with the subscribe, hit that bell if you want notifications of my new posts. I come out with a new post once a week, every Sunday. I talk about music. I put my songs on here. I talk about the psychological ideas, and so hit me up with the likes if you like, and the shares if you share. It's early in the morning, and I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and sit there and look at the trees and play guitar until it gets too hot to sit there.